Good morning everyone and welcome back to another video. This is going to be a really super quick intro because I feel really awkward. I'm in a new gym and filming like sat down with a mic on is really quite scary. So I'm in Loughborough for the weekend. I'm back home. I'm back in my little Loughborough village and I'm so happy. I can't wait to come back. Yeah, I'm trying out a new gym because when I was here during term time I actually didn't train the like sort of CrossFit style that I am now, so we've had to find a new gym. Yeah, I'm going to get into my session. I need to be relatively quick because I've got some super fun things planned today which I'll just take you along for. I'm not going to sit and explain it, but yeah, hope you enjoy, and if you do, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazzy stuff, and yeah, let's get into it. Right, so we've got apple, what was it, apple compote and plastic cream on French toast, cinnamon bun, lotus cinnamon bun, iced latte with oat milk. What more could you want on Saturday morning? Right, now your turn.
No, because this makes me look so skinny.
No, okay, Millie had a apple turnover before we came.
I had a starter, so we have the hash bites with a mysterious green sauce, a half-finished peach iced tea,
which was incredible, by the way.
So good, and a half-eaten cinnamon bun, because I apparently cannot wait for food.
That would not taste good.
No, that would not taste good. I told you.
I didn't expect you to take off as quick as that.
Actually, your first time in car.
It is the first time I've ever seen you drive.
So please don't be too scared. I live up to every stereotype.
We've basically been spawning at different places in this vlog so far. But what did we do? So I went to the gym, you saw that. Then we went to this clinic thing.
Yeah, we went to Lumi and had a skin consultation.
Is it like an analysis?
Yeah, an analysis.
Yeah. It was really good, quite insightful, but...
Very insightful. Basically stay out the sun.
Yeah. And then we went to Delhi, which is like one of our favourite lunch spots.
I think it is our favourite lunch spot. Like, it's not even one off. We only go to one and it is always Delhi.
Yeah.
We've never ordered the same thing either.
No, we haven't. And they always have new stuff. Whenever I've been in there, they've got something new on the menu. And it was incredible. And now we had a really quick change. So oh, you've still got the same jumper on.
Yeah.
But I'm in a completely different outfit, different hairstyle, and I've got half a face of makeup on. But we're now going to a matcha workshop and then a coffee tasting afterwards. Yeah. I've kind of hijacked.
It's okay, she's always invited.
Yeah, I've hijacked Millie's plans a little bit, but it's fine.
I would have made them into money. So
oh yeah, true. Wow. Anyway, so I'm sure you'll see a lot in there, but
busy day.
Busy day.
Busy day.
Fun day too, like cute vibes.
Yeah. I just pressed it 3 times.
Short people problems.
It's too stiff, and then when you whisk, it breaks. Yeah? So you do that before, and then after. So just like gently pour like in a circular motion. The thing you want, it's actually, so mix it up like in a circular motion. Okay, get all the powder together. I would say 30 seconds minimum you need to whisk. The first 5 to 10 seconds are very important for you to create like what's called the microphone. So it needs to be like really brisk movements, really fast on a zigzag or an M shape or on a W shape. So until you start seeing the microphone or the foamy top, you don't stop being very fast. Then you reduce the pace a little bit into medium and then really slow at the end, so you get this nice shiny microphone at the top. Okay?
Good.
Because the Japanese are incredibly, if you actually pick up Sophie, let me see. Have a look at there. You see, you still got some matcha there. So all you want is like all the powder to be mixed up with the water first, okay? Yeah, faster at the beginning. Yeah, until you start seeing like the foam.
Yeah.
Powder together with the water. Yeah. Yeah. More.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I need. Oh, hold on. Oh. Wow. Oh. Millie went for strawberry and I went for raspberry. Let's go.
I remember you was conflicted.
What?
Using your influence.
Is that a muscle, mummy?
Using my powerful.
Sorry, go again. Keep going.
Turned into a deep balance.
Sorry. Come on. Bicep, babe. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, what a song. We did a lot. Actually, we did a full workout.
We did actually.
We did a back day. Look at the pump. Pump goes crazy. Wait.
You wouldn't guess it.
Oh, wow.
You wouldn't guess it.
This is the end of the day.
It is the end of the day.
What a cute day.
We've had such a lovely day.
What more could you want from a Saturday?
Literally.
What more is there to do in Loughborough? Not an awful lot.
We've like ticked off everything to do in Loughborough.
We've maxed out Loughborough. We're not going to end it here because Millie is coming to CrossFit tomorrow.
Oh!
Millie is doing a CrossFit workout tomorrow, which is not a usual Millie. Well, it has been.
Millie doesn't
recent.
actually work out very much.
Millie,
contrary to popular opinion, I'm actually.
but Millie looks like she works out. Let me tell you that. But I think, are we parting ways for dinner?
I think so. I mean, you don't have to.
We've not had enough of each other. We can see. You just made the whole floor shake. I don't currently have any plans for this evening, and it is only 6. Shall we? Okay, let's part ways. Get a bit of food, and then meet up for a drink.
Yeah.
Oh,
we're greasy.
the lioness does not concern herself with hair wash days.
Look. Ooh.
I don't have any product in my hair.
I didn't have any gel in mine either. It's just.
Wow. Okay. She's a natural slip. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking.
Let's just go.
content now.
I've been filming content all session because I'm a lazy bum.
Yeah, and I've done a horrible workout.
Yeah, so we just worked our ass off and I kind of just...
I thought I was going to throw up at one point. Miss Emily Steele, you strike again. Okay.